Myself a 2017 Mecedes Benz E-Class 300 4matic. I'm going to be replacing the windshield. Cracked here, cracked there. She got rain. Should be released. Somewhere here. There we go. Let's keep walking it. Some technicians will start from the front, but because I do a lot of body work, I do a lot of R&Rs, and a guy named Matt showed me how to start from the back. So much easier. It's like you, I guess you're leading from the back. And just walk it. And then you come from the front. And there you go. We have removed the right pillar. The same thing from the back. Then we take your time, find it. Slide and ride. Tight up on the pinch wheel, real tight, very tight. Let's trim some of that. They put a dealer glass back in here. Reason why I know that, because we got gluage. The machine makes no imperfections. This is human made. said, tight pinch where it was tight up the top. We just want to make it easier for our blade to run through here. Look at all that. Look at all that. They ran thick on this side. So thick, so tight, so tight, so tight. So tight. Oh yeah, when you out there in the field, you're gonna have customers like that who gonna be all up in their shit. What you doing? It doesn't bother me one bit because I know what I'm doing. Work. Hey, you get a good review every time. Careful. The only reason why that happened because this underalignment molding was crinkling up every time I pulled through. And you can have a high A pillar and that can slice right through it. Seen it happen before. It ain't happened with me. Seen it happen before. So I just went ahead and customized it to 1.25 inches. And see what we have here, y'all. Well, I'll let you know now because I'm cutting, but I'm also looking at the bottom. And I'm like, this is the jump, this is the dash, and it's a possibility that the glue is down here. That's every bit of 6, 7 inches. And good if it's right here, 3 inches away, but it's a possibility that it's there. I really can't feel up under there. I got that wall stopping me. So I'm determining whether or not I want to use my extractor. If I had a Stingray would be good. But I don't. I got an extractor. I don't know if I want to cut the corners with the extractor and then long knife through. Something I got to figure out. Balance with your footing, y'all. Technically, she should be released, and she isn't. What we're going to do here, I'm going to start in the corner. do, I'm gonna get it to the point where I can slide and ride her. Let's do this. Yeah.